It's almost my birthday. Bring on Scorpio season. Okay?
Ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Let's kick off this birthday prep vlog with some maintenance. So first of all, shout out to Amazing Lash Studio in Crofton, Maryland. Not only did they completely restructure, wax, and tint my lashes, I got them done for free. Okay, so shout out to them. I was their giveaway winner, and I did not even know, guys, that I won the giveaway, but I was out sick, and my homegirl hit me up on Instagram and was like, hey, you won that giveaway, go get your brows done. This is Naya. She literally ate my brows. And one thing at 40 I said I wanted to do was upgrade some of my services, my beauty services, and they have definitely gained a full-time customer. I already got my appointment booked for 3 weeks out. Shout out to Amazing Lash Studio. Make sure you guys go check them out, and let's jump into this birthday vlog, y'all. We got so much to do to prep for this birthday, so y'all stay tuned. Again, shout out to Amazing Lash Studio, and we're gonna kick it off now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I am finally back home from getting my eyebrows done. So I actually got an eyebrow wax, tint, and lift, and they look so good. Like, y'all, they look so great. Like, I love them. I love the way she mapped them out, and the studio was so nice. So literally when you go there, like, I laid down, the bed was heated. Okay, let's start with that. They had like nice lo-fi sounds. I picked the ocean waves. They had a blanket there for you if you're chilly, like whatever, like the luxury, like the experience was a 10 out of 10. And one thing I want to do going into 40 is really amping up my game with like my services and treatments and skincare, and like doing little stuff like getting my eyebrows tinted. I've never had that before. So that's definitely something that I'm going to start incorporating into my routine. And I actually already scheduled my appointment. She said this lasts for 3 weeks. So I'm going back in 3 weeks. And she also said they'll lighten up a little bit. So by the time I have my birthday photo shoot on, I think Thursday, then they should be like absolutely perfect. But I love them. Shout out to Naya. I will have them linked in the description. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I have a whole reel with them and everything. So shout out to Amazing Lash Studio. They were awesome. They have a couple locations in the DMV if you're in the DMV. I went to the one in Crofton, Maryland, but they have one in Alexandria, everywhere. So make sure you guys go check them out. So now, actually, I just finished washing my bundles because I'm getting a sew-in for my birthday. So I had to go ahead and wash my bundles because my hair, I ordered my hair from TikTok, from We Queen Hair. I'll have that linked in the description as well. And I also probably include it in like my birthday maintenance vlog. So you guys stay tuned for that too. I'll show you guys like me getting my hair done, me getting my nails done, feet done, all that good stuff. So I actually just now washed my bundles, so I have them drying. Y'all get into the bundles. I got the bundles on the floor, honey. Baby, a girl got to do what a girl got to do. So this is 4 bundles here, and I'm still waiting on my 30 inches because I'm about to give the girls length, okay? And I'm about to meet up with one of my homegirls. She's an influencer here in the DMV. I will have her linked in the description as well, okay? But we are going to go to this restaurant called Tiki on 18th in the city. It's in DC, and I'm so excited. I actually won a meal from them. DC Frey had like a giveaway for like different influencers in the area, and I actually applied and I won. And I didn't even know I won until like a week later. So they sponsored me a free movie night, which I ended up missing because I was sick. But they also let me choose any restaurant in Adams Morgan that I wanted to go and eat at. And I chose Tiki on 18th. So I called one of my content girlies and was like, girl, come on through. We're going to have a content day. So we're going to go eat there. And it is officially 7 days until my birthday. So every single day I want to do something awesome for myself, or do something different, or just in some way, shape, or form celebrate the big 40 that's coming up. So you guys stay tuned. I just wanted to check in. So stay tuned. Okay. Okay, y'all, what's up? So I'm finally at the restaurant. It is such a beautiful day in DC. Like, it is a beautiful day to be out in the city. It's fall, but it's nice and warm a little bit with a smooth little breeze. Like, I'm super excited. I'm waiting for my homegirl to pull up now. Again, we're going to be eating at Tiki on 18th, so I'm super excited. If you've never eaten there, make sure y'all check it out. That is definitely a must try in the DMV, okay? So I'll check back in when she gets here. The hair is hairing, okay? The brows are browing. I am loving it. It's almost my birthday. I am so freaking excited. Like, I'm so excited. Bring on Scorpio season, okay? Bring it on. So I will check back in with you guys shortly.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. I thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah, okay.
Okay, guys, let's get into this amazing food. So, we got a little bit of everything. We got some chicken skins with a hot dipping sauce. Y'all, these I couldn't really pronounce. I'm not even going to lie. But they're like these skinny egg rolls that were so good. We got some Filipino chicken sliders. We got some coconut shrimp. We got these amazing drinks. I'm not going to lie, y'all. They kept the drinks coming. So, shout out to Tiki On 18.
When I get aggressive, tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller.
Good morning, guys. So I'm not sure if I checked back in after I got my hair done last night, but we ended up getting finished really late. Like, she's my homegirl, so we were chit-chatting and all that. So I just got up, but I wanted to show you guys my hair. Okay. Birthday hair, who this? Okay, so cute. I got my hair from We Queen Hair. I got it off of TikTok, so make sure you guys go follow them and make sure you get your hair from them. I'm thinking about doing a TikTok, and I'll have it linked. I will have this linked on my TikTok shop and have it in my description, but I'll see if I can find a link for this exact hair for you guys, and I'll put it in my description of this video. So shout out to We Queen Hair. Sponsor me, We Queen, okay? It's like my 5th, 6th, 7th bundle by now. Sponsor the girl. Today is actually the day of my photo shoot, so I'm so excited, y'all. My photo shoot is at 1, so I'm about to get up and start getting ready and all that. It's like 10:30 in the morning, but I did get my packages, y'all. So I got all my little birthday packages in. I got 2 Fashion Nova packages. And then I don't know if I told y'all on here my short form. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. But I did put on there that my theme for my photo shoot is like Nigerian birthday. I want to give Black goddess queen just they gonna get all this Black girl magic, okay? It's gonna give Black excellence from the motherland, okay? Clock it, okay? But I got a gele made as well as a custom fan, and I will show you guys that. I think I'm just going to include all that in the next vlog and wrap this one up, and I'll do like a birthday haul. Also, I'm going to do another vlog just on my birthday shoot. Shout out to Sam Johnson Photography. He's a really big photographer here in the DMV, and he's going to be doing my photo shoot, so I'm super excited. So yeah, so I think I'm going to wrap up this vlog. Make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. I'm going to drop a vlog every single day through my birthday, and probably just ending off Vlogtober, because I really didn't do Vlogtober this year. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Shout out to my Scorpios, okay? And we on y'all next. So you guys make sure you hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next vlog, which will be tomorrow. So stay tuned. Bye, guys.
Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah.